in Kitengela Acacia area, this developer has built 14 units, with each estate having a total of 7 units, and each house goes for Kenya shillings 7 million. On my right, we have this affordable house that, as I said, goes for Kenya shilling 7 million. It is a 3-bedroom bungalow with 2 rooms en suite and a DSQ, built on a plot of 50 by 100. So this is a compound of this unit. Here starts the bungalow, and here on my far right, we have the DSQ. You can see the parking space is just ample enough to fit probably 3 vehicles comfortably. And this developer also gives you a small garden just right here. One thing maybe one will ask you, why does this garden is just at the entrance of the manager's quarter or the house employee quarters? Let me know what do you say in the comment section of the YouTube. I also don't know. But I think you're gonna keep some mazellas there that can be able to go to the employee. So on the far end of this house, here is also a live fence that is planted. Within a few months or weeks, it will be grown, and this house will be looking amazing. So on my far end, you can go to the back end of this house, and you can also access the back end through the area next to the DSQ. So on your entry, you get to enter the living area of this house, and you can see how the developer has done it. The gypsum is well done, and also you can see the downlights there, at the wall, you can see the finishing. I like it because it is just very good and well done. So from the living area, you have a seamless path to the dining area, and this ensures that it's accessibility, it's easy also. So you have a dining area that can fit about maybe 6 people comfortably. And then next, you have this a small countertop that ensures that that you can easily serve your meals just to the need. One thing I might maybe notice is a bit smaller, but I think that's why this developer has ensured that all the other countertops complement, because they are quite bigger compared to the first. So you can see your upper cabinetry here, and also has added one here. I think this developer is quite creative. And then you have your lower cabinetry here, and you have your provision for your cooker here, your fridge there, and also for the microwave, also right there. So this is your double sink for rinsing and also washing there, and you have that window here. Then you have your pantry right here on my left. Then here you have now your washing area, so you can see you have a tap there and also a drainage there. Then that door gives you access to the backyard of this house. So we will start with the first room in this house. I would start it on my left here, and here we have a common bathroom. You can see it just well done, tiles up to the ceiling. And also when you enter to the first bedroom, you have the en-suite bathroom there. Then you have your that is your living room here, where you get this wardrobe. On our second bedroom, it is almost similar idea with the first bedroom. So everything is the same, one window, the closet right there, everything is well done, and I just like how we have done, although they are still ongoing, so because some parts are still not yet finished or fitted. So from there, we go to our master bedroom, or the final room in this house. This is a bit bigger than the rest of the rooms in this house, and they also get to have 2 windows on both sides. Then you have a big wardrobe right there, which seamlessly help you access the bathroom just right to the wardrobe right there. The bathroom is still ongoing. The That is, the project is still ongoing, so there's some workmanship that's still ongoing that has not yet been done, but once completed or before even you get to purchase the house, everything will be done. So as I said earlier, this developer has ensured to give you affordability at 7 million, security at Kitengela Acacia area, and also accessibility, ensuring that you can easily access the main road from here, which is just 5 minutes from here or just 800 meters from where I'm studying. So my name is Margo Gerard and this is Prime African Estate. See you in our next video.